In this video, we're going to look at shortcuts inside of AutoCAD. From a new drawing, if you click on the Manage tab and then find CUI on the Customization panel, we're able to go and click on the keyboard shortcuts. From here, we can copy these to our clipboard, or we can simply hit Print. I'm going to save these out as a PDF, and you can now review all of the standard keyboard shortcuts. What's more, though, is that we can add to these shortcuts. So if we go and expand our keyboard shortcuts, I can then have a look at all the shortcuts that exist, and I can go and grab any command and I can drag it into this list. So in this instance, we're going to go and choose 3D DWF. Now this 3D DWF doesn't have a shortcut assigned to it yet. To assign a shortcut key, we click on the three dots and then assign the key. In this instance, I'm going to use Control, Shift, and 3 as my shortcut. And you'll see that that's added in. Now I'm going to hit Apply. So from here, we can print these back out. And if we have a look at our PDF, we can now see that 3D DWF is there and Control, Shift, and 3 is the shortcut.